Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we're going to be looking at Birds of a Feather by Billie Eilish. This is a simple but fun song. First we'll look at the chords and then the patterns that make them up, the order of the chords for the song, and then we'll go through the whole song. Those moments are also in the description and key moments below. Before we get to those 4 chords of the song, there is a melodic pattern that I'm going to teach you in the right hand that continues for almost the whole song. It is D, A, D, and then a C sharp, A, C sharp, on a loop. D, A, D, C sharp, A, C sharp, D, A, D, C sharp, A, C sharp. Speed it up, back and forth. Try that out. Now we'll get to the chords. These 4 chords play underneath that little pattern. So first, we'll try a D chord. We'll spell that D, F sharp, A, D major, D, F sharp, A. We're then going to go to a B minor chord. We'll spell that B, D, F sharp, B, D, F sharp, B minor. Lovely. Third chord of the 4, E minor, E, G, B. E minor on an E, G, B. And lastly, we'll get this A chord in here. We'll go from an A sus, meaning suspended, A, D, E, sus, immediately into an A7, A, C sharp, E, G. So that A chord will always go from the suspended pattern to the 7th, meaning we go to that 7th note up from A. A, C sharp, E, G, A7. Let's look at those chords in the pattern, in the order they go into. We get the D chord for 2 measures, then the B minor for 2 measures, then the E minor for 2 measures, then the A suspended to the A7. Repeat. Ready, B minor with that right hand pattern, E minor, A. This is the pattern. A. Sometimes my hand was spreading out to different variations of the chords, but it was all the same notes that I taught earlier. Let's try this whole song out. That pattern never changes. It's the verse pattern, the chorus pattern, the intro, outro, all of it. Ready? Right hand's gonna rock with the do, 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 do. Left hand's gonna play our nice solid chords. Ready? We start with just the melody for 2 measures. I want you to stay. B minor, E minor, A, D. Really rocking now, back to B minor, E minor, chorus, birds of a feather, we can't change the weather. And I don't know, same chords, up the texture, being more on the beat. A sus A7 till the day that I die. Remember the pattern, think ahead. Verse 2. It goes on, it goes on, it goes on. Just know which section comes next if you happen to be singing along or playing along with somebody. But we love a simple pop pattern that can make some musical magic. Thank you for watching. I loved playing with you today. Practice makes better. I'll see you on the next video. Play on.